vaccine research updates covering the latest breakthroughs. Brought to you by LucidQuest. Valneva has reported positive data from its pediatric chikungunya vaccine trial. The Phase 2 study, conducted in children aged 1 to 11, demonstrated a strong immune response and a favorable safety profile at the 6-month follow-up. In chikungunya virus-naive children who received the full dose, the seroresponse rate reached 96.5%. Supported by CEPI and conducted across Honduras and the Dominican Republic, the data support advancement to a Phase 3 trial slated for early 2026. ImmunoPrecise's AI-powered platform, Lindsay, has identified a structural epitope common to all 4 dengue virus serotypes, marking a significant step toward a universal dengue vaccine. Using HYFT technology to detect 3D viral sequence patterns, the platform bypasses traditional, slower identification methods. This approach holds promise not only for dengue prevention, but also for accelerating R&D and reducing reliance on animal testing in broader infectious disease efforts. Merck has received FDA approval for Clesrovimab, its monoclonal antibody, designed to protect infants during their first RSV season. In the Phase 2b3 CLEVER trial, a single dose of Clesrovimab reduced RSV-related hospitalizations by over 84%. The approval applies to both healthy and high-risk infants and adds to the preventive arsenal alongside Beyfortus. Oxford University's ChAdOx1 Nipah B vaccine has earned PRIME designation from the European Medicines Agency. This recognition offers regulatory support for accelerated development of the vaccine, which targets the Nipah virus, a pathogen with fatality rates reaching up to 85% and no currently approved vaccines. Backed by CEPI, this development underscores Oxford's commitment to pandemic preparedness and rapid response capabilities. Osivax has reached a milestone in its broad-spectrum flu vaccine program. The Phase 2a trial of its OVX-836 candidate, targeting the nucleoprotein of influenza A, has been completed. The study focused on long-term immune persistence and the boostability of the vaccine several years post-initial immunization. Conducted at Osivax in Belgium among adults aged 20 to 64, the trial supports Osivax's goal of creating pan-respiratory virus protection. Novavax has announced positive Phase 3 results for its combined flu and COVID-19 vaccine. Both the combination vaccine and standalone flu candidate induced robust immune responses. Over 98% of adverse events were mild or moderate. These findings build on previous Phase 2 results and will inform regulatory submissions. The trial enrolled approximately 2,000 adults aged 65 and older. Bavarian Nordic has initiated a Phase 3 trial of its chikungunya virus-like particle vaccine in children aged 2 to 11. The vaccine, which is already approved for individuals aged 12 and older in the US, EU, and UK, will now be tested in a global, randomized, placebo-controlled study running through 2028. This expansion aims to provide younger populations with protection amid the growing public health threat posed by chikungunya virus. Stay ahead in vaccine research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info